Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and it is one of my favorites. It's Snack Surprise. This is a monthly snack subscription box. They have 3 different price points. You can get a mini, an original and a premium. I've got the premium one here. I'll put the prices on the screen. I'll link them all down below for you guys. I do have a discount code. I originally found this box early on in the year and I paid for it a few times myself and I absolutely loved it. Snack Surprise on my videos and loved the reviews and offered to send me it in PR, so this has been sent to me for free. But trust me, you will know if there's something I don't like. You'll know because my face will tell you and my mouth will tell you. So let's get in. Every month it is a different country. We've had loads and loads of different ones so far. Normally I'm so bad and I go on their stories and see what the country is before I get the box, but I haven't this month. I've been really good, so I have no idea what we're getting in here. Ooh, what are we? Denmark today. Lovely. These boxes, the premium boxes, the amount of stuff in them is unreal. Like, look at that. That is crazy how much is in there. Okay, so I've got the book. I will try and remember to put it on the screen or tell you guys. If I remember, I'll try and remember to tell you guys which box everything is in. But yeah, this mini box original. So the mini box, you get these things. Original, you get this, and then premium, you get this, and this. So you get loads. Right, and the first item I've got is Skull Crid. I will see what that is. Oh, I'm not eating this. I know I won't like it. A classic licorice sweetness from Denmark that has crispy menthol flavouring coating and a licorice inside. I definitely won't like that because I don't like licorice, which will just end up being wasted. So, anything in these boxes that I don't like, I either give away or I put into a food bank, because I do like a food bank drop once a week. There's one opposite our house. It's so handy in our village, so I just drop stuff in there. So that will go into the food bank. Oh my god, oh my goodness, these are amazing. I'm so excited. I assume they're amazing, I don't know. This is a premium box. So a mini version of the beloved classic Dime Bites are with delicious Marabou milk chocolate and dime pieces. Look at them. Oh my goodness. That is a full bag. They look like a Rice Krispie. Oh my god, they're amazing. One of the best things I've ever had in these boxes. Oh my god, that's amazeballs. That makes me happy. Next, Crispo Coogler. These are like Maltesers. These are crispy rice balls dipped in world-class milk chocolate. This is the premium box. A taste experience your mouth will love. They look like Maltesers. They're chewier. But they're good. These are all like full-size bags as well. That's a 100-gram bag. That's a 145-gram bag. Like, it's amazing. You get so much stuff. Drop loads of stuff on the floor. I have tried a lot of different snack boxes and this one wins hands down every single month. Even if I don't like everything in it, it's still the best. Good lord. So these are like salted almonds. Kim's. I think these our original box because it says Kim's, and it says your box includes a bag of mixed nuts with almonds, cashews, pecans or almonds, or roasted sea salt almonds. So this is what I've got, roasted sea salt almonds, which are going to be amazing because I absolutely love salted almonds. Oh god. So it's just, everyone knows what an almond looks like. Oh my god. They're like the best snack. So good. I'm not sharing them with Ben. I'm going to hide them up there. I don't want Ben to eat them. Next, I've got this chewy. This is a Jordgub Stang, a penguin pole. This bar is red with pink filling and tastes of strawberries. It looks like, you get these like at the cinema, don't you? But they're normally white in the middle. It smells good. That is good. My little girls are going to love that. That's a premium box. Next, I've got Tom's. A true Danish family favourite. This bag contains a blend of licorice and gummies. Again, I'm not going to open it because it's licorice and I don't want to waste it. But it kind of looks like licorice all sorts. That's what I would assume they are like. That was the mini box. Oh, marshmallows. These are fluffy fluffy pink and white marshmallows in the shape of Santa that taste like strawberries. This is the premium box. Look at that. They taste nice, but they stink. They smell horrible, but they taste good. They're not like normal marshmallows. They're a bit like firmer, kind of like foamy marshmallows. I like pink shrimp kind of texture, but chewy. I like them. The kids will like them. Premium box. I think we're about to have the biggest bag of crisps we've ever had in one of these boxes. What size is that? These light and crispy potato based chips have gradually been in most Danish homes. I think they're just plain crisps, I think. Oh, they're not crisps. Oh my god, they're like puffs. Look. They look like little tiny prawn crackers. Mmm. Well, they're good. They, if you're in the UK, they taste a bit like Pom Bears. Similar kind of texture to a Pom Bear. They're good. Right, I've got a drink. Champs. Is this alcoholic? This is the original box. Classic fruit soda. Oh, it's from grapes and apples. I thought it was alcoholic because it's got like a wine glass in the middle. Let's see. Oh. It is a very subtle flavour. There's not a lot to it, but it's nice and sweet. Okay, next I've got some Kim's American Grill crisps. It says Damn Lucky Potato on there. These are thin ruffled slices of potato fried in sunflower oil and with a barbecue flavour. Ben will like these as well. I'm not a fan of barbecue flavoured crisps, but he will love them. The texture is really nice. But I personally just don't like barbecue flavoured things. Right, next, I've got a flipper. Flipper is classic foam dolphin that most people remember from their childhood. Excuse me. Oh my god, that is so cute. I'm gonna bite his tail off. Mmm. He's kind of like Mawami. Mmm. Yum. What? Is this one serious? This one's called Spunk. Fruity flavoured wine gums in a handy sized box with a strange name. Don't think we don't know. Look. Let's have a little go on this. Oh, they're just little tiny fruit gums. They are the exact texture of like fruit gums. They're nice. I'm going to take them on a school run tomorrow and make everyone laugh because I'm a child. That was premium box. What the fuck is that? So this is licorice. I'm not eating this. This is Skipper's Pipes, a soft, delicious licorice pipe with pink sprinkles on the end. See the sprinkles, and it's a pipe. So I'm not going to waste that again because it's licorice. That is mini box. Next, I've got some Kim's Ostipops. A crispy, airy corn-based snack. There's a good crunch and it is cheesy. These are mini box. They look like What's-Its. Mmm, they're good. This tastes like cheap What's-Its. They're nice. As you can tell from me shoveling them into my face. I haven't had any dinner. Mmm. Right. This looks like a Mars bar. Yankee. A toffee and nougat bar covered in milk chocolate. The oldest bar in Denmark. And it looks just like a Mars bar. Doesn't taste like a Mars bar though. It tastes like a bit like a Milky Way. Nice. Ooh, the chocolate's nice. It's like the least healthiest dinner ever, isn't it? That was mini box. Orange Stang. These are like Kit Kats. Bringing together the flavours of Danish chocolate and citrus, this sweet snack will steal your heart. Ooh. Looks like an orange Kit Kat. I wonder if it's just going to be chocolate or if it's going to be just chocolate. Ooh. It's got like little crunchy praline bits in it. Oh my god, that's amazing. I'm not sharing that. When I finish filming, I'm going to sit and eat these for my dinner. And I'm not sharing it with Ben or the kids. Well, the kids are gone to bed, so they won't even know. That was original box. Ooh, some Kim's snack chips. These are original box. A classic from 1987, snack chips are ribbed crisp with delicious spice flavours and an extraordinary crispness. Ooh. Anyone's from Denmark, tell me what the flavour of that is. I can't work out if I like it or not. I think I do. They're good. Really nice crunch. Original box. Next, I've got some little toffees. These are in the mini box. Heavenly chocolate covered toffee, first debuted in 1956. I'm not going to eat one of these now just because they are hard as shit. And I'm going to end up chewing that for like 4 hours. Then we've got, oh, a marzipan bar. I'm not going to eat this either. It'll just be wasted. Dark chocolate covered nougat marzipan. Pretty packaging though. This is from the Danish chocolatier Anton Berg. My nan would have loved that. She loved marzipan. That was her favourite. I think she used to always eat it because she knew none of her grandkids ate it, and then she didn't have to share it. Sneaky. And then that was premium box. And then I've got Plum in Madeira. I don't want to eat this either. Discs of fine marzipan with a layer of fruit. I'm not eating that. And I know it's funny to watch me eat things that I don't like, but I feel like it's just a waste of food. So I'm just gonna put it all in the food bank. They look nice if you like plums. That was original box. And then last is, ooh, a Guild bar. Denmark's finest milk chocolate combined with crisp sugar-coated almond, crunchy and sweet. There's like whole big chunks of almond in it, which is nice. Ooh. Okay. Favourite is the almond, the orange chocolate, and the dime. But they were all nice. I mean, the only things I obviously didn't want to eat was the licorice. And some people love licorice. I just don't, and I don't want to waste it. And these as well, I don't know what the flavour is though. Someone tell me what the flavour is. Let's do a Denmark fact. Denmark has been named the happiest country on numerous occasions and remains to be in the very top of the UN World Happiness Report. All education is free and both the education and healthcare systems are renowned throughout the globe. So maybe paying higher taxes isn't as bad as people in lower tax countries might think. The Danish alphabet has 3 additional letters. Denmark is home to the world's oldest amusement park. The world famous Lego brick was invented by Danish Ole Kirk Christensen in the town of Billund in 1949. And did you know that the name itself is actually an abbreviation of Leg God, which means to play well? Nowadays you can visit the original Legoland in Denmark. There is an unofficial Danish law for no one is better than the other. It is called janteloven, and it plays a key part of the Danish culture and mentality where everyone is accepted and equal. Janteloven is also a main reason why Danes tend to say that it goes well for us, Denmark as a whole, when, for instance, Waldo plays Lannister in Game of Thrones, or Lucas Graham's album reached #3 on the Billboard. Okay, so anyone who's from Denmark can take credit for someone else from Denmark, kind of thing, because everyone is equal. You are never more than 31 miles from the sea in Denmark. Hans Christian Andersen is probably the most famous Dane. The national dish is fried pork, and some surprising things are controlled by the government. One area that might be considered odd is, to most people, is naming of children. The government keeps a list of 7,000 names that are pre-approved for babies, so you'll never meet a Danish Chardonnay or Gaga. Oh, I didn't know that. That is so interesting. Love it. So that was the box. I will leave all the links down below for you guys. Thank you so much to Snack Surprise for sending this to me. Again, you guys are amazing, and I hope you have an awesome, awesome Christmas. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.